Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most loved and delicious tropical fruits, pineapple. Pineapple is not just a tasty fruit, but it also has several health benefits that you may not be aware of. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the health benefits, let's look at some fun facts about pineapples. Did you know that pineapples are not just one fruit, but a group of berries fused together? Yeah, that's why you can see those unique diamond-shaped patterns on the skin of the pineapple. Did you know that pineapples were once considered a symbol of wealth and status? That's right, back in the days, you had to be pretty loaded to be able to afford a pineapple. And finally, pineapple is the only known source of an enzyme, called bromelain, which can break down proteins, and aid in digestion. Okay, enough with the fun and games. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of pineapple. 1. Boosts immunity. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, which helps keep your immune system in top shape. So, if you want to avoid getting sick, make sure you're eating plenty of pineapple. 2. Helps digestion. The enzymes in pineapple can help break down proteins, and aid in digestion, which means you're less likely to experience bloating, gas, and other digestive issues. 3. Reduces inflammation. Pineapple contains bromelain, which is a natural anti-inflammatory. So, if you're feeling sore or achy, try eating some pineapple to help reduce inflammation. 4. Improves eye health. Pineapple is packed with beta-carotene, which is great for your eyes. Eating pineapple can help prevent age-related macular degeneration, and keep your eyes healthy and happy. 5. Good for your bones. Pineapple contains manganese, which is essential for bone health. So, if you want to keep your bones strong and healthy, make sure you're eating plenty of pineapple. So, there you have it, the health benefits of pineapple. Adding this delicious fruit to your diet can not only make your taste buds happy, but also keep your body healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like